Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn a piece entitled eKWANONGOMA. There's actually a music college based in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe called eKWANONGOMA, where the marimbas were actually first designed, the marimbas that are being used in the schools now. And this song was composed especially for the music college. Now the song is in the key of C, so we're going to start from the note G, and the rhythm goes like this. Right, so I'm going to play the first part of the melody and then we're going to break it down. So from G you go. So as you can see, I'm rolling on the note G and then rolling again on the note E. All right, so we're going to start from G, you go, and then F, E, and then you roll on E, and then D, C. So it's quite simple and straightforward. F, E, D, C. F, E, D, C. F, E. Now let's look at the roll, how you roll on that G. Look. G, F, E, E, D, C. Right, let's move on to the next part of the melody. Instead of starting from G, this time you're going to start from E. So E, D, E, F, E. Right, let's move on to the next part of the melody. This time you're going to start from E. So you go E, F, E, E, D, C, E, F, E, E, D, C. So as you see, you roll on D twice. E, F, E, and then again E, D, C. Right, so that's the melody basically. So now I'm going to start from the first part into the second part, each played twice. Second part. The next part to the piece eKWANONGOMA, the Piccolo plays what we call an arpeggio in the key of C. You're going to play C, G, E, C, and then end with C again. And it gets a bit fast, so you go. And then you go back to F, E, F, E, and this time you go up, you play C, G, E, C, C, E, G, C. So it's C, G, E, C, G, and then C, E, G, C. Now I'm going to put that together. And then when you go up, you go, and then you go D, C. So when you go up, when you come down, you play D, C. And then you go back to the beginning. Right, so that is the part for the Piccolo. I hope you're going to enjoy learning this part for eKWANONGOMA. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.